Hey you guys, so my name is Karen Villegas. I'm your Central Florida Realtor Advisor here, and I'm going to show you a beautiful bungalow in this very nice prestige community. Today we are in Tohoqua Reserve, one of the most desirable master plan community in Kissimmee. Now this community have a lot to offer. It's like I mentioned before in my other videos. We are close to Orlando International Airport. We're close to Disney as well. And then there's a lot of shopping centers, Publix, and restaurants nearby. Now also they have a lot of medical centers nearby. And now this community is going to have three resort style pools. They have gyms, they have parks for the kids, and they have a lot of walking trails as well. Now this is a very big community where they have a lot to offer, and the good thing about this community is that you're very centralized, so you're close to a lot of the things here in Central Florida. Now this where we're going to be looking at today. It's a bungalow. It's a Jasmin model, and it's a 4-bedroom 3-bath with 2-car garage. Very nice layout. So follow me so you can take a look at this beautiful bungalow. right, guys, so to finish up with this video, to give you a little bit of in out what this property could cost you. So this is a bungalow home. This is a bungalow Jasmin model. It's a 4-bedroom, again, 3-bath with a 2-car garage, detached. So that way you have the little porch in the back, and they also have a loft, so it gives you that space in the second room as well, in the second floor as well. So something like this properties are starting base price of $429,000, and they have a few here in this Tohoqua Reserve where you be able to select the lots. And then the good thing is that it's also going to have a low HOA. So the HOA for something like this is also going to be $10 a month. But so the CDD for the bungalow is only $103 a month. Now again, this community has a lot to offer, many amenities. So take advantage. If you want more information, give me a call to the number you see below, and definitely would love to help you to get more information about the bungalows or any other properties here in the Tohoqua Reserve or any other properties in Central Florida. So see you in the next one.